Hey guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to show you guys what I just purchased today. Want to try to add better sound and quality content to the channel, so let's check it out. All right guys, this is what I wanted to show you today. Basically I'm wanting to make better quality content for the channel, sound quality and visual. I've been recording a lot of stuff with my iPhone. I do use the GoPro sometimes, but not been real happy with the sound quality nor the battery life on it. And sometimes it kind of has a mind of its own. Maybe it's the user, I don't know. But this is the new addition to the GoPro. I bought the Media Mod 9. I've already put it on. I haven't used it yet, but will be soon. So hopefully this will help my videos and the sound quality will be better. I've heard a lot of good things about the Media Mod and a lot of good feedback. I bought this handle for it, which also extends out. And you can use it as a tripod, as you can see on the box. And I bought an extra battery with charger. Battery life not the greatest on the GoPro, but I say this is what I bought for the channel to help make better content for you guys. I enjoy making the content. It's a lot of fun. It is a lot of work trying to edit and take the time out of work to be able to do it, but I enjoy bringing the content to you guys. I am a truck and car enthusiast. I love all vehicles, but I'm very partial to Ford. And so I'm gonna try to bring you guys as much Ford content as possible. If you guys have any suggestions, comment down below. I appreciate every one of you who comment and like my videos. That's very important to help push us up in the rankings in YouTube. But this is what I got, guys. Just wanted to update you. So next few videos I'll be using this stuff and we'll see how things go. But until then, I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching.